Everyone.
Hey, so I don't know if you know, but Singapore is 1 degree from the equator, which brings temperatures like this.
Oh wow. So it's 32 degrees and it feels like 38 because of the humidity.
Remember your sunscreen, wear a hat, maybe a long sleeve, and should be okay.
And stay hydrated.
Stay hydrated.
Let's go and explore the city.
Let's go. Everyone,
Hi!
it's our first day in Singapore. Today we're going to head toward the Merlion as well as Gardens by the Bay. We'll do a bit of sightseeing, a little bit of walking. Maybe we'll also walk around the National Singapore Museum. But it's so far a pretty walkable city.
Pretty modern, pretty nice. It's a little return to normal life for us, so we are enjoying it. And let's see what the city brings.
Look at the selection.
Oh my god, is this my favorite? Singaporeans are very territorial people. They mark their tables with their belongings, so I marked ours.
Hey guys, so we just finished lunch at a hawker center near where we're staying. Lunch was terrific, at a very filling place. Was recommended, I think, on the Michelin guide. And now we're heading to the Merlion, and we're gonna take a stroll down there. It should take about 15 minutes to get there, and we'll show you more when we get there.
A pensive traveler looking with a very hopeless side at the Merlin statue, just to realize that it was under construction. Luckily for our sad traveler, we found a baby Merlin just behind the big one under construction. And now, instead of a sad traveler, we have a happy traveler. Woo. American traveler in Southeast Asia found his safe harbor. A national symbol called 7-Eleven.
What is she telling you? How's it going?